Here's a delicious and easy recipe for chicken biryani. For the chicken marinade: 1 pound of chicken cut into pieces, 1 cup of plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, salt to taste, juice of 1 lemon, and 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro and mint. For the rice, 2 cups of basmati rice, 4 cups of water, 2 to 3 whole cloves, 2 to 3 green cardamom pods, 1 to 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 bay leaf, and salt to taste. For cooking: 3 tablespoons of oil or ghee, 2 large onions, thinly sliced, 2 green chilies, slit if you like it spicy, and additional cilantro and mint for garnishing. Marinate the chicken. In a large bowl, combine yogurt, ginger garlic paste, chili powder, turmeric, garam masala, salt, lemon juice, cilantro, and mint. Add the chicken pieces, coat well, and let it marinate for at least 1 hour or overnight for best results. Cook the rice. Rinse the basmati rice under cold water until the water runs clear. Soak for 30 minutes, then drain. In a large pot, bring water to a boil. Add cloves, cardamom, cinnamon, bay leaf, and salt. Add the soaked rice and cook until it's about 70% done. Drain and set aside. Sauté onions. In a large, heavy-bottomed pot, heat oil or ghee over medium heat. Add sliced onions and cook until golden brown. Remove half for garnishing. Step 4. Cook the chicken. Add the marinated chicken to the pot with the remaining onions. Cook on medium heat until the chicken is cooked through and the oil separates, which should take about 15 to 20 minutes. Step 5. Layer the biryani. Reduce the heat to low. Layer the partially cooked rice over the chicken in the pot. Sprinkle with the remaining cilantro and mint, and add slit green chilies if you're using them. Step 6. Steam the biryani. Cover the pot tightly with a lid or a clean kitchen towel and cook on low heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld and the rice to finish cooking. Step 7. Serve. Gently fluff the biryani with a fork before serving. Garnish with the reserved fried onions and extra herbs. Enjoy your homemade chicken biryani.